Hello students, my name is Sunil Kumar, physical education teacher, class 11th. The first chapter is changing trends and career in physical education. Learning objectives, meaning and definition of physical education, aims and objectives of physical education, career options in physical education, competitions in various sports at national level and international level, Khelo India program. Meaning and definitions of physical education. Physical education concept is old for the world, but traditional physical education classes provide limited knowledge of activity to limited standards for people, offer limited or no guidance for maintaining a healthful lifestyle. Physical education now becomes a vendor term that focuses on developing physical fitness and ability to perform in a wide range of activities related with the development of an activity and healthy lifestyle with enjoyment. According to JB physical education is that phase of the whole field of education that deals with big muscles activity and their related responses. According to KSD, physical education is the sum of change in the individual caused by experience centering motor activity. Aims and objectives of physical education. The aims of physical education is the wholesome development of an individual, or it can be said that the aim of physical education is complete living. In fact, the aim of physical education is an apex point which seems to be out of reach. Objectives of physical education. First, physical development. Second, social development. Third, mental development. Fourth, development of health. Fifth, emotional development. And sixth, neuromuscular coordination. And first one is physical development. Physical development is one of the most important objectives of physical education, which is the related to development of various organic system of human body. Various activity build up various fitness components like strength, endurance, power, flexibility, etc. With power growth and development of various systems of the body like circulatory, regulatory, respiratory and other system of the body, leading to result in ability to resting the fatigue. Second, social development. These objectives are concerned with helping an individual in making personal adjustment, group adjustments and adjustments with society. Physical education programs offer plenty of opportunities for making these adjustments. And third, mental development. These objectives deals with the development of an individual ability to think and interpret knowledge, fitness, disease prevention, exercise system, nutrition, and other branches of physical education may contribute to men's mental development through various mental or physical activity programs. Next, development of health. Development of health is also an objective of physical education. It educates on the prevention of communicable disease. There are various programs on recreation. The programs of physical education in modern age help reduce anxiety. Second, emotional development. The emotional development of an individual is also the major objectives of physical education. Every individual has various types of emotions. If an individual does not have appropriate control over these emotions, just like wonder, lust, hate, fear, hope, pleasure. And next है neuromuscular coordination. This objectives is concerned with a better relationship between nervous system and muscular system. The activity of physical education provide ample opportunities for the better neuromuscular coordination. The various games using our neuromuscular coordination is developed. Good neuromuscular coordination helps to keep off fatigue during vigorous activity. Okay, thank you.